Technology has always got two things to it. It has to be technically feasible and economically viable. Technically feasible is it should work at very high accuracy every time. Economically viable means I should be able to afford it. I mean, what's the point in having a technology that works, but I can't afford it, right? This costs a few dollars per SKU per month. So let's take a typical hospital inventory room. If you have about, let's call it 200 SKUs in that particular room, this will cost anywhere from 500 to $750 per room per month on a 5-year contract basis. So it's very affordable. For a few $100s per room per month, you can actually manage. I mean, and this includes everything. This is the entire turnkey solution of the cameras, the AI models, the inferencing, the analytics, and of course, the maintenance and the service desk. So think of it as a few dollars a SKU a month, or in other words, a few $100 per room per month if you were the average inventory room hospital that most of the hospitals systems that we work with are.